Now let's see the some specified window arrangements. This is the Alu Alpha giving the some hardware for the particular specified windows like tilt and turn windows, that is called the OBJ6. We having the full kits of tilt and turn, in which first we need to understand what is the meaning for the tilt and turns. Tilt and turn means first let the window first tilt and then you can turn, or you can first turn the window and tilt it after that. If you want to turn this full window open, and you can open it at the 90 degree, if the handle will be, if the handle position will be at the 90 degree, if the window will be open like a side hung window, and you will get the full ventilation throughout. You can get the cross ventilations. And if the handle at the 90 degree means just against the floor, so you can get this portion will be open, and all the heat up will be released from this sides. So this is called the 4 point locking. In this image we can see the how a window will be locked. The locking points will be provided here, here and here. So these are the locking points which we will be given in this window. So this is the handle, these are the some corner transmissions, and these are the locking points. These are the some others locking points which we need to giving at the this corner sides, and some arms is also there. So this full kit will come for the tilt and turn standard kit. So, and the specification is that it is stand for the 130 kg. Now let's see the OBJ6 Plus. OBJ6 Plus is the for 6 point locking, and is coming with the advanced version, so it's look like a OBJ6 Plus. So now let's see how the it will work. So here is the handle position and rest elements, corners, locking points are like this. So these are the locking points where it's going to close. So this is also same as like before what we seen. So if you turn at the 90 degree, so it will be closed full, it will be open full, and when you will turn it to at the 180 degree, it will open from the upper side. So due to this you can get the full cross ventilation, and due to this position you will get the release and the warmness release from the which will coming from the roof. So it's also applicable for up to the 130 kg.